Hi, Adelaide here with a short description of what my next healing session will cover. An inflammatory skin condition, which is chronic, called psoriasis. There are a few different types of psoriasis. I will be going over plaque. Plaque psoriasis is the type of psoriasis that looks like a rash but isn't. You can find it on the scalp, on the elbows, and on the knees. There are many different types of therapy for it. You can take medicine, you can do a topical therapy. There's also alternative healing methods, which is Krystal elixirs. I will link a blog below which talks about that. And also phototherapy, which is very successful, I hear. And if you are one of those people that believe in alternative therapy, you like crystals and you like energy healing such as Reiki and fork tuning and vocal toning, then the next video is for you. Sit back, enjoy, and if there's something specific you would like me to work on, please comment below and I will work on it. Thank you.